If you are a beginner and you want to start making money online, but you don't know how to begin or where to start, you are confused, you are overwhelmed, you are tired because you have no skills or because you don't know how to begin, don't worry. In this video, I will share with you the simplest way possible you can start building your online brand and making money from it. Okay, I was once there. I watched so many videos too while starting out building my online brand, and as at then I was working as a contract staff in one of the Nigeria bank. I was frustrated, I was tired, I was overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. I don't even know how to go about building my online brand. But today, look at me. By the special grace of God, I've grown. I've attracted amazing clients locally and globally. I've built a 6-figure brand. I've built 28,000 followers across my social media platform. I started from Facebook. You can check me out on Facebook, and now we are on YouTube to win. So if you are starting from scratch and you don't know where to begin, this video is the right video for you, and ensure you watch to the end. Okay, number one, change how you think about money online, because skills is not the starting point when building your online brand. People don't pay for skills, people pay for solution. What solution do you have to bring? Because many beginners, when starting out, are always looking for skills without understanding how to solve problems, without understanding the problems they need to solve. So don't think about skills, get to know what problem can you solve, because people want to pay for solutions. People want to pay for the problems you can help them solve, and not for the skills or the talents you have. They want to pay for solutions. So start looking for how you can help your audience solve their problems, because that is how you make money, not the skills you have, the potentials you have. Instead, how can you help these people, your audience, that will start following you? Because now you are building potentials, now you are building community, you are building your audience. How can you help them? That is what you need to think first. How can I help them solve their problems? How can I become a solution to their problems, to their difficulties? That is the first thing you need to have. How to become a problem solver. Number two, don't think about solving too many things. Just choose one problem that you need to solve, one problem you can help your audience to solve. Not two, not three, not four, not multiple, just one problems, because clarity matters. Clarity of the problems you can help your audience solve. Think within you, what problems can you help your audience solve? You can write it down now on a paper. What problem can I help my audience solve? Not many problems, just one that fits you best, just one that the market needs. And when looking at that problem, ensure it is a problem that the market needs, not a problem that few individual or few persons need, but a problem that the market need. At least 70% of the market need this problem you want to solve. Because when 70% of the market need this problem, your profits will be numerous. You will attract people that want the solution you have easily. So what problems can you help them solve? Number one, become a solution provider. Number two, choose just one problem you can help your audience to solve. Okay, because your audience wants you to solve their problem. Choose just one. Is it graphic designing? Is it relationship problems? Is it that you want to go into products? What's one problem do you want to help your audience to solve? Is it that you are building a brand on service base, or you are building a brand on product base? Just solve one problem. Product based, like something that you can see, you can feel, like rice, drinks, or your skill sets, fashion designing, tailoring. Just solve one problem for your audience. Then number 3, choose just one platform. Don't think of dominating all the platform for a start. Choose just one. If it is Facebook, if it is Instagram, if it is YouTube, yeah, if it is TikTok, just choose one platform, and that platform should be a platform that your audience, your look-alike audience, your kind of audience dominates. If it is coaching you want to go into, you want to coach other persons what you need, does it, and you want to choose Facebook for instance, does your audience dominate that platform? Are your audience numerous in that one platform? Choose just one platform. Don't choose all the platform. Choose just one platform. Gain authority in that one platform. Be consistent in that one platform. Dominate that one platform. Be trusted in that one platform. Be known in that one platform before diversifying to other platforms. And number 4, ensure you build visibility before thinking about money. Because when you don't build visibility before thinking about money, you won't sell. You will just be advertising your product, your services, and no one will take action. Ensure you build visibility. You are known, you are trusted, your audience values you, your audience know you, your audience want to do business with you. Build visibility before creating your ebooks or creating your online courses. Before thinking about money, start building visibility. Stamp your feet in that services, in that niche, in that product you sell, in that whatsoever thing you want to do online. Stamp your feet, be known, be trusted, and be extraordinarily good at it. And number 5, don't wait to become perfect before you call yourself an expert. Don't wait to monetize before you call yourself an expert. The little you know, someone wants to buy. The little services you have, someone is willing to buy, as long as you are good in it, as long as you have been trusted, you have been known, you are visible. People will want to do business with you. So don't wait for perfection before you feel that you can start selling your products or start selling your services or start marketing yourself. Don't wait for that at all. And number 6, share as you learn. As you are a beginner, you are learning now, ensure you are sharing what you know. Ensure you are sharing what you are learning, because that is how you gain confidence in who you are, in your services, in your potentials, in your niche. That is how you build. Don't wait till I become an expert or till I know it all. That is when I want to start sharing on Facebook or sharing on my platform. Ensure you are sharing as you learn, okay? If you want more honest content on how to build your online brand and how to make money from your online brand, ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video. Bye bye, and see you in my next lesson.